A Fond Kiss by Robert Burns (1809–1849) A fond kiss, and then we sever, A farewell, and then forever. Deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee, Warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee. Who shall say that Fortune grieves him, While the star of hope she leaves him? Me, nae cheerful twinkle lights me, Dark despair around benights me. I'll ne'er blame my partial fancy, Nothing could resist my Nancy. But to see her was to love her, Love but her, and love forever. Had we never loved sae kindly, Had we never loved sae blindly, Never met or never parted, We had ne'er been broken hearted. Fare thee weel, thou first and fairest, Fare thee weel, thou best and dearest. Thine be ilka joy and treasure, Peace, enjoyment, love and pleasure. A fond kiss, and then we sever, A farewell, alas, forever. Deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee, Warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.